students, I am Dr. Rajiv Oberoi. In this portion, we are dealing with conversion of phenol into phenoquinone. In fact, phenol by itself convert into phenoquinone when it comes in contact with air. तो जैसे कि आपने पढ़ा है कि प्योर फिनॉल इज कलरलेस एंड क्रिस्टलाइन, बट when phenol get exposed to air, it turns into red color liquid, and this red color liquid is due to formation of phenoquinone. So let us deal with the reaction. तो before I begin, अब देखिए कि what is meant by phenol. तो आपने पढ़ा हुआ है कि those compound which contains benzene ring contains OH group and OH is directly attached to the ring are termed as phenol. Now अब जानते हैं कि जो phenol है it is colorless. Phenol is colorless and it is crystalline. It is colorless and crystalline. But when phenol is exposed to air, याद रखिएगा, phenol when exposed to air, it get converted into red color liquid. So this red color liquid is due to formation of phenoquinone. अगर हम इस रिएक्शन को देखें तो what happens? ये देखिए. So this is OH attached to the ring. This is phenol. Now when this phenol comes in contact with oxygen present in air, it comes in contact with oxygen present in air, तो क्या होगा? This H and one of the O goes in form of water molecule, and the second O, ये देखिए, the second O combines over here. ये देखिए, the second O combines over here. तो बचा क्या? तो it is O double bond C carbon C double bond O carbon and carbon. So C double, this is carbon double bond O, and again there is carbon double bond O. Now it is H over here, H over here, H over here, H over here. देखिए, अब यहाँ पर देखिए कि इस कार्बन की वैलेंसी 1 2 3 4 कंप्लीट, इस कार्बन की वैलेंसी देखिए 1 2 3 4 कंप्लीट, बट इस कार्बन की वैलेंसी 1 2 3, इस कार्बन की वैलेंसी 1 2 3. तो देखिए आपने यहाँ लगा दिया डबल बॉन्ड, ये लगा दिया डबल बॉन्ड. सो नाउ दिस इज टर्म्ड एज क्यूनोन. दिस इज टर्म्ड एज क्यूनोन. तो फिनॉल हैज कन्वर्टेड इनटू क्यूनोन. Phenol has converted into quinone, and now when this quinone comes in contact with phenol, some of the phenol will convert into quinone, some would be left over. अब आगे क्या होगा? तो this is a molecule of phenol where O पर चार्ज है partial negative, H पर चार्ज है partial positive. This is molecule of quinone. ये देखिए, molecule of quinone condensed structure बना दिया. It was in terms of carbon and hydrogen, now this is condensed structure. So this is phenol. This is quinone. Again one more molecule of phenol. ये देखिए, इसमें partial positive, partial negative. Now this is also phenol. तो now अपन जानते हैं कि this is carbon, this is oxygen. This is carbon, this is oxygen. नाउ हम जानते हैं कि इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिविटी ऑफ ऑक्सीजन इज हायर एज कंपेयर टू कार्बन, देयरफॉर ये देखिए दिस ऑक्सीजन डेवलप्स पार्शियल नेगेटिव एंड कार्बन डेवलप पार्शियल पॉजिटिव, दिस कार्बन डेवलप्स पार्शियल पॉजिटिव, ऑक्सीजन डेवलप पार्शियल नेगेटिव। तो हुआ क्या कि फिनॉल व्हेन एक्सपोज्ड टू एयर some of the molecule converts into quinone plus water molecule, quinone plus water molecule. Now when this quinone comes in contact with the rest of the phenol, due to difference in charge they form hydrogen bond between them. इनके बीच में hydrogen bond would be formed, इनके बीच में hydrogen bond would be formed. So hydrogen bonding is taking place between quinone and phenol, and this one, this is called as phenoquinone. So from phenol we have taken word pheno, from phenol we have taken word pheno. Now the complete quinone is written, this compound is termed as phenoquinone. Remember, this phenoquinone is red in color. This red color phenoquinone dissolve in water and converting into red color liquid. So I repeat कि pure phenol when it is pure, remember it is colorless and crystalline. Pure phenol is colorless and crystalline, but when it is exposed to air it converts into red color liquid. This is due to formation of phenoquinone. So what happens? Phenol when comes in contact with oxygen present in the air converts into quinone, and then when this quinone comes in contact with the leftover molecule of phenol forms hydrogen bond between them, resulting in formation of phenoquinone. This phenoquinone is red and this gets dissolved in water giving you red color liquid. So pure phenol is colorless and crystalline, but when exposed to air it converts into red color liquid, which is due to formation of phenoquinone. So I hope this topic is clear. Thank you.